Honor Power has been officially announced in China, featuring a tremendous battery. This device is specifically designed for individuals who require a high level of resistance and advanced technology in outdoor environments. Its battery capacity is 8,000 mAh, and it promises a durability of up to 6 years without degrading its performance. According to the brand's figures, this battery allows for 65 minutes of calls with just 2% of energy and provides up to 16 hours of continuous use. It supports 66 watts fast charging and has a Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor with an Adreno 720 GPU running Magic OS 9 based on Android 15. Its screen is a 6.78-inch AMOLED with 4K resolution at 120 Hz, and it boasts 4,000 nits of maximum brightness, ideal for outdoor use. It also features a dimming rate of 3,840 Hz, ensuring no flickering at low brightness as expected from the brand. In cameras, it features a 50-megapixel main sensor and includes a 5-megapixel ultra-wide camera that supports 10x digital zoom. While it may not be the most outstanding in this photographic section, the front camera is 16 megapixels and you'll find it in a circular cutout within the screen. This device weighs 209 grams and has a thickness of 7.98 millimeters, which is quite notable given that it contains an exceptionally large battery. However, even though it's thin, it appears to have a high level of resistance because it incorporates IP68 and is reportedly able to withstand falls on 10 different sites. Additionally, it features a special C+ chip, which represents the new generation of the chip used by Honor, included in some devices. In this instance, it enhances signal reception even when the connection is somewhat weak, and also enables sending satellite text messages, although this is obviously limited to within China. Additionally, it features an outdoor mode which adjusts the brightness and volume while prioritizing applications suited for outdoor use, all with easy one-touch guides. It is available in white, black and gold colors with prices starting at 1,999 yuan for the base model, which includes 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, translating to roughly around 272. Keep in mind, this device has been launched in China and it is unlikely to be available globally. However, let me know if you would like Honor to release a device in our regions that features an excessively large battery, one that's truly exaggerated in size. Additionally,